Assalamu Alaikum. Here is Irfan from class Pre-9. I am here to presenting my biology model. My model is about food chain. The food chain is the source of energy. First of all, I would tell you about what is food chain. The food chain is a linear sequence of organisms where energy and nutrients is transferred from one organism to the other. First of all, I will tell you about my project. Basically, the food chain is the source of energy. Sunlight is the biggest source of energy. First of all, I would tell you about what is producers. The animals that eat producers called primary consumers, like grasshoppers. The animals that eat primary consumers called secondary consumers, like mouse and snake. The animals that eat secondary consumers called tertiary consumers, like eagle. When these organisms are died, they are converted into decomposers. So, these are the series of energy converting into one organism to the other. Now it is the end of my project. Thank you and have a nice day.